All right, we're in Teepee Basin in the southern Madison Range. It's north of West Yellowstone on a northerly aspect. And we've got about 120 centimeter, 4-foot deep snowpack here. And all this snow fell over the last week, about 2 inches of snow water equivalent and a little over 2 feet of snow that has settled down. This snow in our stability test is bonding pretty well to the old snow surface, but on some slopes we have facets and a crust underneath this snow and surface hoar on other slopes, and those weak layers aren't showing up everywhere. But with all the snow and strong winds we're going to get that we've had over the weekend and are going to continue this week, if those weak layers are going to break somewhere, it's going to happen now, and they're going to be sensitive to being triggered by a skier or a snowmobiler. So during this storm, I'd recommend avoiding steep slopes for the potential of triggering a large avalanche, and then once this storm settles out, you can start to assess those weak layers and play in some steeper terrain.